Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Modway Restore Upholstered Fabric Sectional Sofa Ottoman in white, a unique piece of furniture that adds a touch of elegance to any living room with its sleek design and versatility. This product is perfect for individuals who are looking to add a functional and stylish ottoman to their home, whether it's for a small apartment or a large house, and it's especially great for those who want a piece of furniture that can serve multiple purposes. Let me break down the specs. The Modway Restore Upholstered Fabric Sectional Sofa Ottoman in white measures 41.5 inches in length, 35 inches in width, and 16.5 inches in height, making it a perfect fit for most living rooms. The weight of this ottoman is approximately 44 pounds, and it is made of high-density foam and solid wood frame, which provides excellent support and stability. The fabric used for the upholstery is a durable and stain-resistant material that can withstand regular use, and it is available in a variety of colors, including white, beige, and gray. The ottoman also features a storage compartment underneath the cushion, which is perfect for storing throw blankets, pillows, and other living room accessories. The compartment measures 30 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, providing ample storage space. In terms of special features, this ottoman is designed to be versatile and can be used as a footrest, a coffee table, or even as additional seating, making it a great addition to any living room. In real-world use, the Modway Restore Upholstered Fabric Sectional Sofa Ottoman in white performs exceptionally well, providing excellent support and comfort for users. The high-density foam cushioning provides the right amount of firmness and softness, making it perfect for lounging or reclining. The ottoman's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move around and reconfigure to suit different needs and preferences. The fabric upholstery is also easy to clean and maintain, and it can withstand regular use without showing signs of wear and tear. In terms of everyday performance, this ottoman is perfect for daily use, whether it's for watching TV, reading a book, or socializing with friends and family. Real-world reviews praise the Modway Restore Upholstered Fabric Sectional Sofa Ottoman in white for its sleek and modern design, which adds a touch of elegance to any living room. Users also love the versatility of this ottoman, which can be used in a variety of ways to suit different needs and preferences. Additionally, users appreciate the high-quality materials and construction of this ottoman, which provides excellent support and stability.